Okay, so let's move on to question number 9, GED, and let's do that problem. Okay, so you have your book. We're on page 585, and the question asks, in quadrilateral ABCD, side AB is parallel to side CD. Sides AD and BC are not parallel. What is the area of the figure to the nearest square centimeter? Okay, so let's work this problem out. It's problem number 9. Let's put it here. And I want to use a thicker line. Alright, let's do medium. Okay, so what we're going to do here, first of all, this is a trapezoid. So you have to be able to identify this shape too. So this is a trapezoid, and that means that we will be using the formula for this type of shape. I wish this thing was really much faster, but be patient with me. The good thing is I'm able to illustrate it and you can see it step by step as I'm doing it. And of course it's being recorded, so you can fast forward or rewind as much as you like. Alright, so this is a trapezoid. So what you're going to do is use the formula for a trapezoid, which is A equal and YA, because the question asks what is the area of the figure. So area is A is equal to half H for height, B1, which is base 1, plus base 2. Okay, so there's your formula. And then what we're going to do is take from the problem that they gave us and plug it into the formula. And again, I like to keep this straight down. So they gave us the height of 2.5. Now, what you might want to do if you're using the book that I recommended that you get, if you turn that book horizontal, because you're looking at it and the figure look like it's vertical, turn it so it's horizontal, and then you'll see 6 centimeters on the bottom, 2 centimeters on the top, and now you see that line. Because see, they drew the, let me just, for an example, you'll see, they drew the figure like this. Alright? See? That's the way you're seeing it. Flip it, so you see the figure like this. You see what I'm saying? So now, you can see that line like this. That's your height. And guess what? Right here is the base, and here is your other base. That's why I'm telling you, you need to flip your book, and you can see that this is your height, which is 2.5. Alright? Okay, so let me erase this, and then we'll continue with the problem. So we're just going to plug in what they gave us. Okay, so A, let's rewrite it, equals 2.5 plus, no, 2.5, which is height, times, and then you see where base one, let me get my pen so you can see. So base 1 and base 2, that's what we're getting ready to do now. Okay. Okay, so 2, that's your base 1, plus 6, that's your base 2. Okay? So now we're going to multiply. Well, let's do this one first. Let me get my pen. Okay, so you see here is where we are. We're going to multiply. Well, let's add this 2 plus 6. I'm using red so you can see what I'm doing. And then we're going to, once we add this, of course, we know it's 8. This is going to be 8. And then we're going to multiply this times what? That, right? 2.6. 8 times 2.5. And here's what the result will look like, okay? So now you should have A equal half, and then we said in here is 8, and then we multiply that times 2.5, and the answer is 20. So then it'll look like this. Okay, so that's what we have. And so you have A is equal to half times 20. And we know half of 20 is 10. So your answer is going to be A equals 10. Okay, that's your answer.